another Saturday, and you know, if it's the weekend, Saturday or Sunday, it's the gala day. And I don't know kung saan kami pupunta ngayon, but you know, let's go! So we are here sa Harris Teeter, and kaya kami nagpunta dito sa Harris Teeter is we're just going to have to buy the egg here. Gawa ng nakasailang egg dito. Normally kasi 12 eggs would cost you like $4.59, and here at Harris Teeter they have it on sale sometimes for 99 cents, and today it's on sale for $1.49. See how much we are going to save from $4.59 to $1.49. So it's around $3, and we could take like 4 dozens. So yeah. So ayan, we took 4 trays of egg for $1.97 each, which is $4.59 normally. And now we're getting the water.
24 pack 5 liter.
Ayan, we're done sa Harris Teeter.
The water can stay back here, but not the other stuff.
We bought water,
I need 2 more of those.
and then what's that? Lipstick and 4 dozen of eggs.
I need these bags for the dog food.
And then we are going naman
Right there,
sa
TJ Maxx. I'm looking at
oh, TJ Maxx.
Marshalls already right there.
Marshalls for what?
Toilet bowl brush. I just need to get
We're
on
going to go Marshalls now for toilet bowl brush, kasi kailangan na palitan ng toilet bowl brush dahil it's been a year pero hindi naman nagagamit. Hindi uso dito yung naglilinis ng toilet bowl kasi may mga inilalagay lang silang spray, and then after mo ma-spray i-flush mo lang and it will clean. We hit a jackpot today. Pumunta kami ng Marshalls to buy toilet bowl cleaner, pero wala kaming nabiling toilet bowl cleaner. Ang nabili namin is 4 shoes. Pagpasok kasi agad namin, and nagpunta itong isa sa mga sapatos, and we saw these nice shoes, and it's more than 80% off. Kaya ayun, may 4 na sapatos na naman ang anak ng inay. We score a good deal today, and I bought this cheap na $4. I'm saying this in Oman, kakainin namin yan. And I'll show you the shoes. This is the shoes that we saw. This we got this for $13. Cushionaire Cushionera brand. We got it for $13 and the actual price is, let me see the actual price. The actual price is $30 and then it went to $13. Cushionera. It's leather. And we also have this another Cushionera sneakers for $16. The actual price is $42. And I got Palladium for $6.50. If you remember in one of my video, I have one Palladium shoes which I think I saved for 6 months when I was in Oman to be able to buy that. And look, $6. The actual price is $42 also. And the last one is a Reebok, green Reebok, and we got this for $26. And the actual price for this Reebok is $68.
Oh, I didn't know they were 68.
Yeah, my favorite now. Ayan, so we are here now, we are here now sa Bowie sa Target because we're going to buy the dog food here.
Bring that slip of paper that I gave you. Bring that slip of paper. Oh my God, look. They said if you get pennies like this, it was your good luck. With their face up. Open that up.
Where's the paper? This is what we're going to buy.
Come on.
Wait!
Just curious.
42, 17.50 na. 42 minus
I thought it was 30 something.
ayan, tapos na kaming mamili uli dito sa another Harris Teeter sa Bowie kasi yung Harris Teeter pintahan namin kanina is done. Yan. Bumili rin kami kasi dito ng tubig, wala na kasing available sa Dunkirk. And if you're asking why kami palipat-lipat ng store is because sayang yung mga sale nila, pero you might tell na sayang ang gasolina kasi paikot-ikot. Hindi naman, kasi okay lang din, mas mura po ang gasolina magpaikot-ikot kesa bumili na normal na presyo ng mga pagkain dito. Yes, and yeah, nag-uubos ng oras kasi wala namang gagawin sa bahay. Ulang, manonood ang kung ano-ano, kakainin, paantukin, matutulog, mananaba. Eh pag ikot ng ikot, gala ng gala, kung anong makita, bili. Pag wala, manahimik. Ayan, where are we going next?
Zip cleaners.
We're going to Zip Cleaners naman now for dry cleaning kasi like you know, they don't do labada here. It's always dry clean, dry clean, dry clean, dry clean. Ayan, makikita nyo kami sa laundromat kasi maglalaba kami doon ng gamit ng aso. Yeah, and using the laundromat would cost you like $6, $8 a machine. But doing the dry cleaner will cost you $6 a piece. Yeah, ganun kaluho ang damit dito. Kaya when I came here sa US, I started learning na like use the shirt twice or thrice, kasi nga ang mahal ng dry cleaning, and hindi naman dito kagaya sa Pilipinas at sa Oman na you need to shower like 2 times, 3 times a day, ay magpalit ng damit 2 times, 3 times a day kasi mainit. Dito naman kasi is mainit, pero hindi naman nagdudumi ang damit, hindi ka naman pinagpapawisan kasi mostly nakakotse at naka-aircon.
Oh,
Tapos sa bahay, ganun din. Like, minsan nga 3-4 na araw na suot ko na yung damit. And not naman araw-araw na sunod-sunod. And ang kapitbahay
any
would be
shirts
like,
you want?
ang kapitbahay would be like, pumapasok ka sa trabaho ng ganyan ang amoy mo. And I was like, yeah, kaya pala ang daming nalapit sa iyo, ang bango-bango mo. Sabing gano'n. Yung damit nga, naulit ko ng suot. So ayan, papasok muna kami dito sa Zip Dry Cleaners. Ayan, any shirt laundered and pressed for $2.99. $2.99 lang ang t-shirt, and ang garment is $3.49. But yung mga long sleeve is $5.99, $4.99. Ayan, si Daddy di pumasok na, and ako ay naiwan dito sa sasakyan. Ayan, we're heading home na kasi pagkatapos namin magdaan doon sa Zip Cleaners, may katabi siyang mattress pair, and nag-check uli kami ng bed, and nagpahiga-higa kami, and suddenly nagkakapagod bigla, nakakaantok. So uuwi na kami, and that's it for today's video. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, paki-hit ng like button, paki-subscribe mo na rin kung bago ka sa aking channel, at huwag mong kalimutang i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng videos na gagawin ko, and i-share mo na rin ang video ito, and do a screenshot na i-share mo ito, and send a screenshot on I Am Romeo C Facebook page, and at the end of the month I'll be giving away sort of Gcash loads to 3 or 5 person na mag-share ng video nito. Ayan, see you on the next one.